Control rooms are the nerve centers of modern infrastructure: power plants, transportation networks, security command centers, smart cities. These environments require precision, reliability, and uninterrupted performance. But not all control room consoles are designed the same. Many traditional consoles focus only on furniture, but mission-critical environments require much more. Operators work long shifts, technology generates heat, cables become unmanageable, and systems evolve rapidly. A control room console must do more than hold monitors. It must support operations, people, and technology, combining German engineering, ergonomic design, and advanced technology integration. The result is a console system built for performance, reliability, and future growth. Unlike many competitors, Nestec consoles follow ISO 11064 International Control Room Ergonomic Standards. Operators benefit from optimal viewing angles, reduced physical strain, improved focus during long shifts. Because in critical environments, operator performance is everything, many consoles rely on traditional steel desk structures. Nestec uses high-strength modular aluminum frames. This provides greater durability, flexible configurations, future expansion capability. Your control room evolves without replacing the entire infrastructure. Modern control rooms generate significant heat from multiple systems. Nestec consoles are designed with integrated ventilation and thermal management, protecting sensitive electronics and ensuring reliable 24/7 operation. Many competitors offer standard console designs. Nestec offers fully customized solutions. Every console is designed to match your control room layout, your operational workflows, your technology systems. Because one size never fits all, Nestec is more than a control room solution supplier. We provide a complete control room solution: consulting, design, engineering, manufacturing, installation, ensuring seamless project delivery. Nestec consoles power operations in energy and utilities, transportation control centers, airport security and surveillance, oil and gas operations, smart city command centers, where downtime is not an option. When operations are critical, your control room must be designed for performance. Choose Nestec control room consoles.